Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. So in today's video, I will be showing you as a very simple, old, and popular technique used in making Bakhoor. This is like one of the ancient techniques used by my people to make their Bakhoor Turarenwuta. If you know you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, comment, share, and if you have any question after this video, just hit it on the comment section. I will be glad to answer them. So if you want to see how I created this amazing infused Turarenwuta Bakhoor incense, keep on watching. So YouTube people, you're going to get this. Please, if you know you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I don't know how I will tell you people to subscribe, to like, to share my video. You guys are I'm trying on my best to give you like everything that I know that you people need to start your like trial water at home without any problem, troubles. And then you guys don't even want me to get to like 5k. Please, my birthday is coming up. Just make me get to this 5k that I want to get to 5k. Yes, I that's one of the number one thing on my birthday wish list. Please get me to 5k. Since you don't want to subscribe, I don't know. Some people even like save my videos and then they are not even subscribe. As in now terrorism be that now. No make sense. Okay, so this has been I this is my mother's Hawii which I took. uh okay, she soaked this with UD cologne because she wanted to make humra with it. You know, if you are an OG of humra, you will know that if you want to make humra like the traditional Asian humra, you need Hawii. So for my students in my class, they know how to go about this, but for my YouTube subscribers, it's just brief. You just make a powder with it, and that's it. But there are some steps, some processes, and some items you need to couple together. Oh yes, then before you get the paste, to get the amazing paste. So um let me mention some of the ingredients because some of you are new here. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. I'm thinking of putting alkaline goma. I don't know, alkaline goma is super strong and Hawii is super strong too, but mm, we're not making this, we're actually making another recipe for this. And then why I've been postponing this is because I ran out of dough, and I don't know we'll make it with my humra. We'll make it with humra. So this is available. Howie, the last the last man standing. um I'll be using humra paste since I don't have Revdo. Actually made the humra with Revdo UD cologne. So I have some here. I'll be using this, but this is the humra. This is the amazing humra. Oil humra. Oil humra. So let's get into the video. So I will be adding everything to this because I think it would be better if I add it here and just close it. So that's what we are going to do in this video. I will be adding this ingredient. I haven't grinded my hamburger, so let me go and grind. So we have our beaker. I'll be adding Kausar. I'll be using just for this. I'll be using 20 ml of liquid. So let's add our Kausar. 10 ml of Kausar. Then I have here Mizian Surati. Just I added, this is 3 ml of Mizian. I added half of the 3 ml. That's 1.5 ml of Mizian. And I have my Khalij Surati. I am adding Khalij Surati, just a few of my Khalij Surati. This is so amazing. If you know Khalij Surati, you can never go wrong with Khalij in your Khumra, in your Turarenwuta. I'm supposed to add my Turkish oud before the Khalij. Then I'm going to add my Turkish oud. I love, 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 love Turkish oud. I'm adding 1.5 ml of this oil perfume. So I've added Mizian, Turkish oud, Khalij, and then which one should I add? I don't want to add the Nalbanat. I always add the Nalbanat, but I don't want to add the Nalbanat today. I am adding sandal oil. I don't know where my sandal oil is. I think this is the sandal oil. That's why it's not good to keep your oil perfume under direct sunlight. Yes. Okay, this is not sandal oil. This is not sandal oil. This is sugar baby. So I'm just going to go over there and check my sandal oil perfume. Let me pause. Okay, so I have seen my sandal oil. I saw this somewhere very, very far. And I have another one, but that one is in school. So let's add the sandal oil. I think we've still not gotten the 20 ml. I'll add all my sandal oil because this is just so little. Alkaline goma. I don't know. I'm still thinking, guys. Should I add alkaline goma? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's super strong. But let me add it. I'll be adding just some few drops of this alkaline goma because okay, I don't want to even mix my alkaline goma here. I know what I'm going to do. My mother gave me this. I love my mother so much. She likes investing in my Turarenwuta. Yo, may Allah bless my mother. May Allah bless our parents. Okay, so this is 1 ml. 1 ml. 1 ml is okay since I'm using yeah, I think that's okay. So now let's close all these oils that we opened because it's not good to leave your oils open, right guys? And then let's okay, so I didn't show you, we got 20 ml and even more. We got 20 ml. This is it. We got this. I don't know how to show you in the video, but we got the 20 ml, so I'll be adding just 20 ml. Then I will shake this and add onicha. Okay, so I added 10 ml, just 10 ml. Then I'll shake this and add. Okay, so it didn't get to all the everywhere, every part. So let's go for more. Yeah. Okay, so then let's add our 4 different types of oil perfume, but the Kausar is the based oil perfume. Wow, amazing. You can see it's not giving that fried look, but it's giving it's giving like you can see. Okay, so we have to shake this so that the fariche will go down. We can't leave our fariche here like that. Then since I don't have Hude cologne, my Hude cologne is in school. The one I have, again, the perfume I have is in school. So let's add our humra, and this is a Dufr humra.
At this point already, I have added my fixatives and binders. If you don't know them, you can check my previous videos where I explained those ingredients. They are in powdered form. I added them in the right ratio, because when you don't add them in the right ratio, and then it's not all you add when making this Turarenwuta, this Bakhoor, you have to leave out something. So this is a signature mixture of Khumra and some signature oil perfumes, which will stay within the brand, which I will be using for consequent Bakhoors. So you can create yours too. Perfume oil blending, so that you can create your own unique accord for your incense, your Bakhoor. You can see how it's looking like I fried this with those ingredients, but no, I just added them, and then it's looking amazing. The scent from this is so nice, it's so amazing, and um it has not even like stayed for like weeks. So but then when you make this recipe, you have to keep it for a very long time. You should not keep this for anything you should not use this before like letting it cure. So you have to let this cure for at least a month. When you make this, just forget about this and just store it.
Is I'm using Sandalia Pfizer. Yes. And one thing about this ingredient, you can get from any quantity, but some parts of some people say they can't get this in little quantity, but I can get these items in little quantity so that I love getting oil perfumes. It's better to get in large quantity because you're buying you gain more. And then okay, so after that, let's give shake this. Okay, you can see now. So this is what is giving us. Now we are going to let this sit and infuse for a very long time. 2 weeks, at least 2 weeks. So after 2 weeks, I'm going to come back and show you the result, maybe in my next video, because I want to drop this video on Friday. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, um hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you are going to be notified. And then comments any question you have. And also I sell my products, I sell on my Turarenwuta. I'll drop my number on the screen so that you can just pick my number and send me a DM. I make different types of Turarenwuta in wholesale and retail prices. Like I've shown you in many of my videos some of my Turarenwuta. I have amazing halud with frankincense. You can't go wrong with that. I have amazing Turarenwuta in store for you. So you can purchase that. Just send me a DM. I have amazing humra, our traditional authentic humra, not the regular humra or the humra. It's very affordable and amazing. Lecture, I have them. I love this. This is so good. So now let's let this sit for 2 weeks and then come back and check our results. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to give it a try. See you in my next one. Bye.